Bitcoin has failed to fulfill Satoshi Nakamoto's vision of becoming a decentralized, free financial system. The Bitcoin blockchain network has become centralized. Today, the owners of the two largest mining farms, when united, can completely dominate the entire network. From a seed of a free financial system, Bitcoin has grown into a centralized tool for speculation in the crypto market. However, the idea of creating free, independent money has not died. Crypto enthusiasts are coming together again to revive Satoshi Nakamoto's ideas. A new peer-to-peer blockchain network has been created with a low probability of centralization. More than 10,000 nodes of this network are already supported by crypto enthusiasts across all continents. We invite you to become a participant in this crypto network and an issuer of new free money. We need programmers, entrepreneurs, and leaders to build the infrastructure and ecosystem. If you are ready to contribute to the victory of freedom over financial slavery, ask the person who showed you this video how to join the pzm community.